It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day and day 3 in La Jolla at Bird Rock. No video yesterday, it was a day. Lots of irrigation issues to deal with, and there wasn't really a whole lot to show you, but today we can show you this area to the right of the driveway that I planted out in a tapestry. I had Caesar from Sun Valley bring 1, 2, 3 15-gallon barrel cactus to round this out. And we've got I pulled in some of the river rock from the front of the property because these buttons were there's a lot of buttons, a lot of pebble buttons. So I feel like this really breaks it up. Also, it acts as a buffer. There's a lot of street traffic, a lot of sidewalk traffic, surfers, people with dogs. So yeah, I'm really happy with that and how that looks. And here's Gordon trying to be very quiet, bless his heart. So this is what we got left on buttons, and I'm wondering if it's going to be enough. I don't know. So I got, oh, there's a sprinkler. Okay. We wondered where the sprinkler was in here, and it's back there. Perfect. This soil, oddly enough, is very, very heavy clay. And what that means is it doesn't percolate really fast, but it does hold the water well. So you can see here that we did, a lot of you were really curious to see how we would plan out this narrow bed. And I don't know what you were so curious about, because we just did what we do, knowing that we can manipulate these plants any way we want, whenever we want. I never worry about it. So lots of microclimates happening here, but this is La Jolla and it is right on the ocean, so the temperature is very mild all the time. Loving this, loving the look of this here. We mixed tropicals with succulents. We left all of the palm trees and some of her other shrubbery. We added bromeliads. We're going to have to make sure that water is getting into these cups, so we'll have to have Daddy. Hey, Daddy, you got to turn this water on and make sure that these cups are getting irrigated. Right?
I'm doing that right
now.
now.
He's doing it right now? That's so great. Okay, so you can see here that we have a drip line, just one, because again, the way the soil holds water, we don't need a lot of it. So we just ran a simple drip line all the way through here, and we'll be covering this up with the button pebble top dressing as well. And then here you can see very, very sunny in this area right here. Really, really warm. Very cool. I also fed all of her shrubs and trees because they look a little chlorotic, a little yellow. So the jasmine got fed. I also applied a systemic to the jasmine. And they have a lot of runoff from the balcony up there that comes down. So I built this up with some amended topsoil, loamy topsoil. Sorry about the interruption. I was getting a phone call from number 3 child. So yes, I built this up with some loamy topsoil, and then we put down river rock and a lot of pebbles in the hopes of helping mitigate some of the pooling that occurs when it rains. And we'll see how it works, because tomorrow we're supposed to get quite a bit of rain in the morning. So I'm glad of that, so we can see how the drains are working and how everything is doing. The Horton planter got installed yesterday, and the guys that installed it busted the entire irrigation highway, and Greg spent 2 days working on that, repairing it. There are also drainage issues in here that had to be addressed, and it was just kind of a mess, but we fixed it, and now it's getting top dressed with our button pebbles. And I think I showed admirable restraint here. I didn't overplan it. Thrilled with this piece of driftwood that Hannah got at Waterwise Botanicals. I think it really makes it. And so you will also note that all of the plastic planters are gone, and the client bought these beautiful concrete planters that we popped beautiful succulents into. Caesar came with this 24-inch Bainsii today.
Look at Marco.
Oh, and then Marcos about had it over there. I planted some cuttings from the client's plastic pots under this tree right here. So all of the plants that she had are being represented there in that little grouping of cuttings. Then here we've got the bowls planted out, just very, very clean, very, very simple. You can see in the back corner, we have a couple of euphorbias and a yucca. Really, really happy. It's just so clean, so incredibly, incredibly clean, and so much better than those old faded plastic pots that she had before. Upgrade! So, yeah, we've been working our butts off today. We will be back tomorrow after the rain to do any finish work that needs done and to shoot your grand reveal. So until then, guys, happy Easter if you celebrate, and peace out. Bye.